My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chorongi High School. My training provider name is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Today we will discuss about introduction of MCB, internal parts of MCB, working principle of MCB, types and rating of MCB. So let's start. First of all, we should know what we mean by MCB. The word miniature means very small and circuit breaker means a protection device designed to open and close a circuit. Therefore, we can define it is a small device which is used for the circuit protection. It is another type of circuit breaker. It automatically turns off the electric circuit in case of overcurrent or any fault in the electrical supply. Now we discuss about miniature circuit breaker internal parts. Name of the internal parts of MCB are as follows: 1. Incoming terminal, 2. Copper braid, 3. Arc tube, 4. Magnetic coil, 5. On-off switch, 6. Bimetal strip, 7. Outgoing terminal. Now we will discuss these parts in detail. First is incoming terminal. At this terminal, incoming phase is connected. Second is copper braid. It connects the moving element with the static element. Third is arc tube. It is a set of insulating barriers on a circuit breaker arranged to confine the arc and prevent it from causing damage. Arc tube extinguishes the arc which is produced due to heavy current. Fourth is magnetic coil. Magnetic coil is a part of thermal tripping arrangement. In case of heavy short circuit current, magnetic field is formed. Fifth part is on-off switch. It is a switch which can be manually interpreted by the user. Next part is bimetal strip. Bi means two, strip means metallic plate. So two metal plates are used. For example, bimetallic made up of steel and brass as shown in figure. Each metal has a different rate of thermal expansion. This concept of different rate of expansion can be beneficial for mechanical change. If we heat up the bimetallic strip, it will bend up or down depending upon the two metal strips and the way these have been joined. Last part is outgoing terminal. The phase which enters through the incoming terminal will leave the miniature circuit breaker through the outgoing terminal. Now we will discuss about working principle of miniature circuit breaker. There is two arrangement of operation of a miniature circuit breaker. One due to the thermal effect of overcurrent and other due to electromagnetic effect of overcurrent. The thermal operation of miniature circuit breaker is achieved with a bimetallic strip whenever continuous overcurrent flows through MCB. The bimetallic strip is heated and deflected by bending. This deflection of bimetallic strip releases a mechanical latch. As this mechanical latch is attached to the operating mechanism, it causes to open the miniature circuit breaker's contacts. But during short circuit conditions, the sudden rising of current causes electromechanical displacement of plunger associated with tripping coil or solenoid of MCB. The plunger strikes the trip lever, causing the immediate release of latch mechanism. Consequently, open the circuit breaker's contacts. This was a simple explanation of miniature circuit breaker working principle. Now we will discuss about types and rating of MCB based on tripping characteristics. Depending upon types and rating of MCB, we can see 5 types of MCB in the market: type B, type C, type D, type K and type Z. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.